I want to talk about what's the fastest way to make money online. If you watch to the end of this video, I'll try and explain it to you, Listen, you want to make money quickly and easily without spending years and years trying to figure it out. The fastest way to make money online is to get mentorship. Try and follow somebody who's actually done it, who's in the trenches doing it, and follow them, get mentorship. That's the easiest way to do it. Getting mentorship from somebody who was making some serious cash online, wouldn't that help you? I'm sure it will, think about it, what would life be if you could make double, triple what you're currently making? Wouldn't life be a lot easier? Do you think working more hours at a job is going to make that happen for you? No, it won't. If you want things to change, then the first step is to learn how to partner up with somebody who is doing it and learn from them, Get mentorship. Do you know the reason why people fail when they try to do an affiliate marketing business? The answer is simple. No guidance. They buy ebooks, mentorship, and courses, and they overload themselves with information, and it only leads to confusion, and they don't know what to do next. You need a guide. Someone who can actually steer you in the right direction. Imagine waking up every day knowing that you don't have to go to work again. Why? Because you have discovered a way that you can make money while you sleep, daily. This is possible if you find the right way. If you want to start your own online business that make money, then you need a couple of things. Firstly, you need to find a profitable market. Secondly, you need to drive traffic to a converting offer. How do you get started, especially if you're new to all this? So what are you waiting for? You've been dreaming of living the internet marketing lifestyle for a while, right? Well, you have a chance to do it now. Actually, what you need to do is find yourself the right mentorship. Back where we started. You need this. It's, as I say, you could do it by yourself, but you're going to get lost. There's too much moving parts or things you might miss that take you right off course. You need somebody who's been there doing it, or in the trends doing it, and somebody who can teach you, somebody who is actually doing it. No, you want to know the fastest way to make money online is affiliate marketing. Period. Hands down. I've tried many other methods to make money online, and this is the easiest way to make money online. But you need the right guidance. If you go about it the wrong way, you're just wasting your time, and you don't want to do that. You don't want to spend years trying to figure out how to do this thing. Hands down, affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money online. You don't want to waste time and years trying to learn this thing. So getting proper mentorship is the best way and the easiest way to go. There's a link below this video where you can get mentorship. You can also give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm saying, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.